Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this, how to get rid of that notch right there. This is the MacBook Air M2 that just came out, and as you all know, it has that notch. And there are a few ways of getting rid of it, especially if you go on YouTube, you're going to see people tell you to download an app, particularly, I think it's called the Top Notch app. But I wanted to find a way to get rid of that notch without downloading any apps, because I just get scared of having an app that might have a Trojan horse or a virus. So I don't want any apps on my computer. I just want to get rid of that notch without apps. Only way I found out to do that is to take a screenshot of this wallpaper and put it on top and put a black banner on top of the at the very edge where the notch is. So the way I did that is first thing I did was get rid of all the icons on my desktop, and I put them on the I put them on the documents folder on the Finder. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but you can do that on your own. The next thing I did was get rid of the dock, so you have to hide the dock. So go here and right click and say dock preferences, and then press this one right here. Let me zoom in, this right here, and that gets rid of the dock. And then you can close this, and once everything's empty, you can take a screenshot. So to take a screenshot, you go down here to the launchpad, and that reveals all your apps. So go here where it says other and look for screenshot. So you go there and this comes up. So you're going to select full screen, which is right here, capture entire screen. Let me zoom in just to show you that. So this is what you're going to select right here, and then you're going to press over here where it says capture. Let me zoom out. So press capture, and it captured the entire screen. So once you have that picture, you're going to find it over here. It's going to turn up over here. So open it up, and here's your picture of the entire screen. As you notice, this is where the notch would go, but that doesn't really matter, because what you want to do is modify this picture. So you're going to click over here, and that enters edit mode, and then click over here where you see the circle and box, and then select the square, and this comes up. It might come up at a different color. If that happens, you have to go over here, and this is where you change the color. So I'm going to leave it at black. Also, the edge might be a different color. For example, it might be like that. Well, I know that's not obvious. Like that. Let me zoom in a little. So you want to leave it at black. Everything needs to be black. And once you got everything black, you just gotta go over here and cover that top edge like that, and make sure you cover everything. All that banner, I'll call it a banner, I don't know what it's supposed to be called, like that. And there you go. So now everything is black on the top. So just close the file. It'll automatically save. And there we go. So now it's saved with that black color on top. So to get rid of the notch, all you have to do is go to the file, right click like that, and on the very bottom it says set desktop picture. Click on it, and boom, the notch is gone. But no apps. That's the important thing. There are no apps installed on your computer, because I'm always nervous about an app trying to spy on me, especially with credit cards or passwords. Even the safest app can be doing something to your computer. I don't want that. So, and I don't want any apps using up my memory in the background. So this is the safest thing to do. Just take a picture with screenshot, take a picture of the entire screen and color the top banner, and then set that picture as your background picture, and boom, the notch is gone. If you want the notch to come back for whatever reason, go to settings over here. I'm gonna hide my name, so that's why you see a black box there. Click on desktop over here, and then click on desktop over here again, and then select whatever background was there originally. For example, for me it was this, and you're gonna see the notch come back, and the notch is back. So you can close, and you have your notch back. And if you want to get rid of it again, of course, just repeat what you did the first time, which is go over here and set desktop picture, and the notch is gone again. So this is how you do that. So this was just a quick video. I think it's fun, and I think it's nice not to have an app on your Mac. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.